When the test is completed and the results are accepted, the Process Results menu will be displayed. From here, it is possible to print or save the results, view the test again, or return to the main menu. Please note that the results of the last test performed remain available even if the Allegro has been turned off. However, the results of the last test will be erased as soon as a new test is started. Test results should be saved to the internal database or printed to ensure that data is not lost. Before attempting to print, ensure that the printer is fully charged, switched on, loaded with paper, and physically connected to the cradle with the printer serial cable. Place the Allegro into the cradle when you are ready to print. To print results of the last test performed, select Send to Printer from the Process Results menu. Press the right button when prompted on the screen. To transfer the data from the Allegro to a computer, the results must be saved to the internal database on the Allegro. The Allegro will hold up to 32 patient records. To save the results of a test, select Save Results from the Process Results menu that is displayed on completion of a test. A 3-character identifier is used for the record. This is also used as the reference for the patient's name on the printed record and for data transferred to a computer. To enter the identifier, use all 4 navigation buttons to select the characters. Press briefly and hold the right button to enter a character. Press and hold the left button to delete the last character. When all 3 characters have been selected, press and hold the right button to save the record. Use the Data Management option in the main menu to view and manage saved records.